In today's video, I will walk you through how to set up a stop loss in Robinhood Legend. Go to Robinhood Legend. Once you are on the platform, make sure that the Positions widget is added to your layout. If the Positions widget is not visible, go to Add Widget and select Positions to add it to your screen. After the Positions widget is available, locate the stock that you want to set a stop loss for. In the Positions list, find the specific stock and select it so you can access its options. Next, go to the end of that stock row and click the three dots menu. From the menu, click Increase Position. After selecting Increase Position, continue to the Order options where you will see Buy and Sell choices. In this section, select Stop Market. Once Stop Market is selected, proceed to the Order Setup screen. Here, review the available fields related to your stop loss order. Enter or confirm the quantity for the position you want to apply the stop loss to. Make sure the correct stock and order type are still selected before moving forward. After setting the quantity, review all order details carefully, including the stock, order type, and quantity. Check everything to ensure it matches your intended setup. Once you have confirmed that all details are correct, proceed to submit the order. After submission, the stop loss setup will be applied to your selected position. You can return to the Positions widget at any time to view or manage the order you created.